にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, this is the grammar video 132 and this is going to be the third part of the conditional tara. In this third part, we're going to study about i-Adjective. And you know, this is always we must do the plain form 普通形 and in the past tense. So in the case of i-Adjective, instead of the last i, 買った or in the negative sentence 来なかった but this is たら so 買ったら or 来なかったら in the case of the verbs たら could mean two things. One is hypothetical condition and the second time consequence, but in the case of adjectives and the noun only the meanings the hypothetical conditions, so we can use もし this adverb means if it's hot, I'm gonna swim in the sea. In this case, the adjective that I'm gonna use is this one, 暑い, hot. But here, this one is also 暑い, different kanji, and the meaning is a little bit different. This 暑い, you see here, this part is the kanji of 日, the day. So 暑い, this is the weather, the day. So 暑い, it's hot. On the other hand, this 暑い, this kanji, you can also read like 熱. 熱 is fever. So when you touch, it's hot. In this case, 暑い. So when you touch something, it's hot. For example, it can be coffee, very, very hot. Oh, hot, too hot. In this case, 暑い. And this one is the day, the weather. If it is hot or if it were hot, 暑い but without い then 暑かったら海 this is the sea 暑かったら海で泳ぎます暑かったら海で泳ぎます If it were cold, I'm not gonna swim in the sea. If it were cold or if it is cold, 寒い this is cold, the weather. And without い寒かったらもし寒かったら海で泳ぎませんもし寒かったら海で泳ぎません Here, using もし this adverb もし this is I emphasize the meaning if it were cold. If the shoes are cheap, I wanna buy them. The adjective cheap, 安い. So if they are cheap, 安かったら. And on the other hand, if it is very, very expensive, 高い, 高かったら. I wanna buy, the verb 買います to buy. And without ます and I add たい買いたいです I want to buy 靴が安かったら買いたいです靴が安かったら買いたいです If the shoes were expensive, I'm gonna wait for sale. I'm gonna wait for bargain sale もし靴が高かったらバーゲンセールを待ちます。もし靴が高かったらバーゲンセールを待ちます。In English, you say on sale. But in Japanese, we can say the three ways. One, the longer one, バーゲンセール or only bargain. Bargain, it is in Japanese, it means sale, okay? Or also sale. If the weather is good tomorrow, I'm gonna do the laundry or I'm gonna wash clothes. The weather, we say 天気. The kanji is quite interesting. Ki, this is ki, the inner energy. And ten, this means heaven. The adjective i to say good, i. But to say 買ったら we must change the pronunciation instead of いよよかったらもし 明日天気が良かったら選択します。もし明日天気が良かったら選択します。If the hotel is far from the station, we'll take a taxi. The adjective far, 遠い。Be careful when we write in hiragana, not 遠い, but 遠。This is 遠い。far. So, if it's far, 遠かったら、もしホテルが駅から遠かったら、タクシーに乗りましょう。もしホテルが駅から遠かったら、タクシーに乗りましょう。If we want concert tickets, let's make a reservation at once. The verb to want something が欲しいです。In English, to want, this is the verb. But in Japanese, 欲しい。We consider this one as i-Adjective. So something が欲しいです。If I say I don't want this thing, 欲しくないです。And in this case, if we want the concert tickets, so we must put in the past tense. 欲しかったら。コンサートのチケットが欲しかったら、すぐ予約しましょう。コンサートのチケットが欲しかったら、すぐ予約しましょう。If you wanna eat delicious and healthy cake, I'm gonna make it in this sentence. If you wanna eat, the verb 食べます。to eat. And if you want to eat, in Japanese, without must, we add たい。食べたいです。I wanna eat. I don't wanna eat. 食べたくないです。It means we use this たい as i-Adjective. In English, 食べたいです。I wanna eat. Want. This is the verb. But in Japanese, we must use as i-Adjectives. So, 食べたいです。I wanna eat. I don't wanna eat. 食べたくないです。This is like i-Adjective. So, if you wanna eat, you must put in the past tense. So, 食べたかったら、美味しくて健康なケーキが食べたかったら、私が作ります。美味しくて健康なケーキが食べたかったら、私が作りますよ。Till here, we studied affirmative sentences. かったら。But in this case, we are gonna learn the negative sentence. くなかったら。If you don't wanna eat now yet, we'll eat after. How to say I don't wanna eat or you don't wanna eat? 食べたくないです。Because 食べたいです。I wanna eat. 食べたくないです。I don't wanna eat. If I don't wanna eat or if you don't wanna eat, 食べたくなかったら、if you don't wanna eat. もし、今、まだ食べたくなかったら、もし、今、まだ食べたくなかったら、後で食べましょう。もし今まだ食べたくなかったら後で食べましょう。If you don't want this toy, let's go to the other shop. You want this toy. おもちゃが欲しいです。You don't want this toy. おもちゃが欲しくないです。And if you don't want this toy, おもちゃが欲しくなかったら、if you don't want this toy, other shop or any other shops 他の店 or 他のお店このおもちゃが欲しくなかったら他の店へ行きましょう。このおもちゃが欲しくなかったら他の店へ行きましょう。If you are not busy tomorrow, why don't we watch the movie together? 忙しい adjective busy. So 忙しかったら if you are busy, but if you are not busy, 忙しくなかったら明日忙しくなかったら一緒に映画を見ませんか？明日忙しくなかったら一緒に映画を見ませんか？ If you don't have a headache, please don't take this medicine. 頭が痛いです。I have a headache. Then 頭が痛くないです。I don't have headache. So 痛い this is like i-Adjective. If you don't have headache, 頭が痛くなかったら to take a medicine, we use this verb to drink 飲みます。薬を飲みます。to take some medicines. 頭が痛くなかったら頭が痛くなかったらこの薬を飲まないでください。頭が痛くなかったらこの薬を飲まないでください。Today we learn hypothetical conditions たら but in the case of i-Adjective, affirmative and negative. Now a quiz time with only 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目 If the weather is good on weekend, I wanna go to ski. 2番目 If I'm sleepy, I take a nap about 20 minutes. 3番目最後です。If you wanna play with your friends in the park, do your homework first. In this part 3 of condition たら we studied about i-Adjective. But in the next video, in the part 4, we're gonna continue with na-Adjective and the nouns. If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me like and also subscription, please. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you can help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日も仮定条件のたらでも今日はい形容詞について勉強しました。今回はパート3ですが、パート4ではな形容詞と名詞についても勉強していきましょうね。このビデオが役に立ったと思ってくださったら、ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタンお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても助かります。お願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。